What's up guys, it's Shelly with Fancy Sprinkles, and today we're going to be making Heart Cakesicles. And if you don't know what cakesicles are, well, cakesicles are basically just cake crumbs mixed with frosting, or you can use chocolate or ganache, even Nutella, and you mix it together and it creates this dough, which is perfect for putting in molds, for creating different shapes, and then you dip it in some type of chocolate or confectionery coating. Since we're going to be making them Valentine's Day themed, we're going to be using Fancy Sprinkles' new Heart on a Stick kit, which comes with this really cute silicone heart mold, as well as Truth or Dare sprinkle blend and rose quartz prism powder, and it also comes with gold popsicle sticks. And today we're actually going to be using Fancy Sprinkles' newest product, which is Easy Candy. And Easy Candy is just a sweet confectionery coating that is perfect for dipping treats, for drizzling, for painting molds. It is great. I'm going to show you how to use it today. So today we will need 1 box of cake mix. You can pick whatever flavor you want. You're also going to want some icing. I'm using Swiss meringue buttercream, but you could use chocolate or ganache or Nutella. You're also going to want a large mixing bowl, as well as an offset spatula, or if you don't have one, you can use a spoon. So I went ahead and baked my cake and I let it cool. Now I'm just going to crumble it with my hands till it gets to a crumbly texture. I added a tablespoon of buttercream to the cake, and now I'm just going to mix it with my hands. And I always like to start off with a little bit of buttercream and just work my way up. I'm probably going to add another tablespoon as soon as I mix this together. You want the dough to have no crumbs and to hold its shape. That's why I'm adding a little bit more buttercream so I can achieve that. This is the perfect consistency for your cake pop dough. It is now ready to be used. There are no crumbs and it's holding its shape. So to melt our Easy Candy, I'm just going to go ahead and place it in the microwave for 30 seconds and then knead it. So I just took this out of the microwave for the second time and it's almost completely melted. I do feel a few bits that aren't. I'm just going to use my hands and melt those little bits. And now I'm just going to pour the Easy Candy in this cup so it'll be easier for me to paint the molds using a spoon to dump it in. I'm filling the hearts with around 3 teaspoons of Easy Candy, and I am just going to use my popsicle stick to spread it all over the mold. You're going to notice it's going to puddle up in the bottom of the mold, so always use your popsicle stick to lift it and make sure to cover the sides really well because that usually tends to be the area where it can crack the easiest. So I just popped these out of the freezer. I placed them in for around 5 minutes just so it fully sets. You want to make sure it's fully set before you put any of your cake pop in it. To cover the back, we're just going to add around 2 teaspoons of Easy Candy and just spread it with an offset spatula or the back of a spoon. Make sure before you pop it out that you place it in the freezer for 5 minutes so it fully sets, and then when you do pop it out, gently peel it away from the sides and slowly take it out. And there you go. Now the fun begins because we're going to decorate, and I am using this really pretty rose quartz prism powder by Fancy Sprinkles, and I'm just painting the whole heart with it, and it's going to be really pretty and sparkly. I went ahead and melted some purple Easy Candy, and I'm just using my offset spatula to create a brushstroke design, and I'm going to top it with Truth or Dare sprinkle blend. OMG, it's so cute. Would you look at that? How adorable. I am obsessed with this hot pink color. I think it is so gorgeous. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you guys make them because it's gonna make the cutest Valentine's Day gift, and it's also a fun activity you can do with your friends, with your family. If there are any other recipes you guys want to learn, please comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fancy content. Thank you guys.